In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and simple tzatziki dip. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name is Paulie and this is my kitchen. This is a 2-minute fingers crossed video, so we're going to crack straight on and we're going to make the tzatziki dip. So everything for this recipe that you will need is here. As per usual, don't worry if you did miss these, I will be putting the ingredients in the info box below, so do check out there for those. So yeah guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. First thing that you need to do is we need to take our cucumber and we just need to peel this, if I can find my peeler. So what we're going to do is we're going to peel this just like that. Get all that horrible bit of green skin off, and then we are going to cut down the middle. All we're going to do is we're going to scoop the seeds out. Once you've scooped out all the seeds, take a glass bowl and we're going to take the grater, and all we're going to do is we're going to grate. So now that we've got our cucumber grated in our glass bowl, and we're going to take a generous pinch of salt and just sprinkle that over the top. We're going to take our Greek yoghurt. We just want to mix this in. Now some people say that you should drop a little bit of water in there just to loosen up the thick Greek yoghurt. However, if you are using the cucumber like this, there's a lot of moisture in the cucumber, and that will act as the water. Plus it's cucumber flavoured water, so adds a little bit more flavour. And we're going to use some pink peppercorns. We need to get our garlic clove. And all we're going to do is we're going to mince that and put that straight in. Take our palette knife. Put that in there as well. So next thing we need to do, we've got a little bit of mint here, and all we're going to do we're just going to pick all the leaves off. Serving dish. Guys, what we're going to do is we're going to take our olive oil and so yeah guys, that's how you make a tzatziki dip. Really quick, really simple to do. Really hope you enjoyed this 2-minute fingers crossed video. So do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, take care of yourselves and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye.